Well, you
This
know,
compared to the last set, this has to get fixed.
well, yeah, but by looking at your nails,
Mm-hmm.
it looks like you went somewhere else and they used like really bad chemical on you.
Yeah, you were booked, so I had to go somewhere.
But I don't think I can do your nails.
Just take it off.
Yeah, but that's just a waste of my time and my product and all that. It just you should have just be faithful and be loyal and just make your appointment ahead of time. I don't feel like I don't want to do your nails because you cheated on me.
Oh no. It's okay. It's okay. I won't go anywhere else. I promise. I'll never do that again.
No, because I spent all this good time adding good chemical on you, and then you went back to like some nasty MMA and all that.
I'll get a full set. It'll never happen again. Come on. I need it fixed.
I don't know. It's just such a waste of my time.
It's not. It's not. It will never happen
You
again.
promise?
Mm-hmm.
You're never gonna cheat again?
Never again.
Because now I have to take it off and start over, and
That's
that's
okay.
just a waste of my time.
If sometimes you need to start from the beginning. It's okay.
So since I'm taking over and you did cheat on me, your set's gonna be 150, okay?
150?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fine.